All right, so here we go. And there are scripture after scripture. So the thing that I watched, it was from YouTube. Let me give you a link. If you're interested in getting a link, all my screens are, I don't know where all my screens are. What happened to all my screens? What screen am I looking at? All right. I think that is going to be the next thing, the next Devo that I do on stream, because it really changed my life. And I don't know what's going on with OVR right now. So, what is going on? Why? Why does it look so funky? Oh, okay. Huh, I just learned something. Okay, let's continue coloring Israel. And then we'll rate out. Again. The boy came down when I was on a roll. I was about to get on a roll, but I don't have time to get on a roll. I have time to continue the roll. So I will continue that roll, because if you're going through it, if you're going through what I was going through, still going through, I think you need to hear it. I think there's a reason that I heard this, so I can share it with you. Another thing I learned recently is if you think you want internet fame, if you think you want YouTube fame, if you think you want Twitch fame or YouTube fame, think again. You may not be able to handle what you think you want. Again. All right, I think that's all we're going to do for today. Going to do some work off stream. But for now, we're gonna raid out. Raid out. Let's find... Oh! Look who's available. Woofler77 is available. Let's go see Woofler. Let's put the raid command in the chat. Feel free to copy that command from my chat into Woofler's chat. And then we're gonna go to Woofler77. All right, thank you very much for being here. I will be back on Monday. Hopefully, that's the plan. Isn't there a proverb about making plans? Man makes the plans, but I can't remember what the proverb says. But plans of mice and men. That's a proverb that I remember. The plan is to be here on Monday from 5:30 to 7:30 Eastern. Until then, may the Lord be with you. Peace. Let's raid now.